So Huda Beauty has been doing the rounds with her purple powder. Now I've seen it all over social media. To me it looks a bit mental, but we're going to give it a go and see. So first thing I'm going to do is apply some concealer, and because we're going to do some baking, we'll apply a generous amount. This is a generous amount for me, and I'll blend that in with a little puff. So that's a lot of concealer for me. So let's go with the purple powder, see if it looks absolutely gorgeous and flawless, or if it looks just mental. I can never get these open. Okay, so it's pretty purple. Let's jump in. There's not a lot coming out. Okay, here it is. We'll leave it for a few seconds. We'll dust it off. Okay, I'm going to take my brush. I'm just going to sweep this away. Okay, it doesn't look particularly purple here in real life. In all the videos I'm seeing, it's really quite purple. This isn't purple. It's not coming across as bad. It's pretty brightening. You know, what can I say? It worked absolutely fine. There's a hint of lilac, but it's really quite subtle. It's fine for me. See you next time. What do you think? Bye-bye.